Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions. From here we have to go into the profile menu, then tap on settings, then tap on account settings. And here at the top we find our email address, and next to it a change button. If we tap on that, we can just change our email address to another one. For example, if we no longer use this address, then we can just change it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.